I just found this is amazing. I never believed that I'd be here and actually see this in real life. It's totally awesome just to see game guards, bikes, guns, the whole thing is amazing.
Welcome guys, I'm glad you finally made it. This is Queen, she's got some welcome drinks for you.
Cheers!
Welcome
Cheers,
guys.
Cheers guys.
You gotta excuse this bunch, right?
It's a good place. The trail is perfect. We are gonna use elephant path. So let's try and enjoy this activity together and see what nature has for us.
This is the treehouse camp where we're staying on the river. Beds all the way around the outside. Beds there, good. Good. This is our dining room. We've got a little lounge overlooking the water. Got our hyenas last night. We've got jackal, lions calling. This is the toilet. Open air showers. Just stunning. Yeah, I don't think there's anything quite like it. You're literally staying out in the open air. You have all the sounds of the evening, all the animals coming down here. Not a massive amount of water at the moment, but there's most definitely still enough water to attract all the animals down. Good day, Yanni boy.
Hey, excellent. Nice riding, eh? Absolutely amazing.
Top notch. There's Max the man.
Maximilian, Mr. Pause. Max Pause.
We were waiting for you for the beers, buddy.
Okay.
We are going to be aware of the elephants, mostly elephants. The elephants from that side, they don't behave. Follow our instruction.
Yeah.
I think everything is going to be okay. Hope you guys will enjoy your day today. Thank you. No, it's a leopard, eh?
Yeah, it was going towards our camp.
This front here and the hind one here. So this one is a leopard. A leopard got all and also they don't you can't see their claws on, how do you call them, the nails. Yeah. So for all the cats they got these 3 lobes, but they differ with the cheetah because of the claws. Cheetahs always have the claws. So 2 of them, the lion and the leopard, that both don't have claws.
It's
got 6 pads.
Yeah.
Shimano.
Yeah. That is a Shimano.
That's a Shimano.
Yeah. That's a Shimano trek.
Very slow.
Yep.
Can't run faster than 10 km.
Yes.
Cruising along, went through a little ravine, obviously with no water in, and then started climbing a hill, and I didn't change my gears down, and snapped a spoke with all this power in my legs, you know. So it's just that power, that tonnage on my back wheel, just my spoke just went, and there it was. I was nowhere to be seen going further.
You can't do the top section. This is going to be the best part of my morning.
Here we go, you deserve it.
Oh, Ashley boy.
Are you feeling lunchtime?
Lekker, lekker.
Started from today, I'm going to save for this bike.
Eh?
Very nice.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Oh, that's why you used to say that, don't worry with me, you guys care, I want to keep
Now
on
you
going.
know why I can keep up,
Yeah,
eh?
I know. Not nice there. Happy day. young elephant, but we are looking at. Thanks the way you were handling yourself. That was so brilliant. I liked it. I think you remember what I told you yesterday or today in the morning. The more you get calm to the animals, the more you'll enjoy them. You did 100%, guys.
Thanks,
I'm glad
Max.
that,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Thank you, Max, finding us elephants
you.
and lions.
Okay, let's see what we can see on the bush again. Let's enjoy our nature. Thank you.
Come on. Thank you.
Ponto.
Ponto boy. Hey ho, Ponto. Thank you.